This is an emergency recipe going out to my boy Brandon, who is not feeling very well. Everyone keep him in your thoughts and prayers as he's recuperating from some very not fun stuff at the moment. And he has some dietary restrictions as he heads down the road to recovery. So the doctor said no fun and no flavor. That ain't gonna work for me. Not for my boy Brandon. So I'm gonna make you a sandwich here that you can eat. I checked. This is, cleared with everything, should be. There's no dairy and there's no fat in this really, not a ton of it, saturated fats and things. You should be clear with this one, and it's pretty tasty. So here we go. Let's get this done quickly because for everyone else, you don't care. All right. So what are we making? Tuna salad sandwich, but we're doing a little special because it's my boy. He's got to take care of the guy. Anyways, I have some solid white, the albacore solid stuff here. So it's not the cheap, tuna. We're just going to open that, drain it. It is in water because oil is gross. It's good for certain things, but for this, water is my preferred choice. Fast forwarding through this part. Okay, that took a while. If you like your tuna cold, then I suggest you put the can in the refrigerator first, although it does make it much harder to drain because the tuna is not as flexible. You can see this is actually looks like actual fish. It's crazy. What are the odds of that? Okay, what goes in this? We gotta have some pickles in this because pickles are delicious. And we're just gonna grab a few. Yeah, there might be a little bit of tuna still on there, but that's what the vinegar's for. It'll kill it. Okay, I'm gonna get one more pickle. All right, pickles off the side. Pickles are out of the way. We don't need the pickles anymore. We're just gonna dice these up real quick and go. Stop. Okay, perfect. That's all we need. Just dice those guys up, get them in here like this. Normally I'd be putting celery in here, but that is one of the things that poor Brandon cannot have at the moment. Although, is anybody really broken up about not being able to have celery? I don't know, my dogs would be. They love chewing on celery. Again, I have weird dogs. Anyways, we're gonna throw a little mayonnaise in here, make this yummy. This is eggs and oil, no dairy. A little bit of salt, but salt is good for it, isn't it? It helps with dehydration, right? Because it helps hold the moisture in. All right, there we go. All right, 2 secret ingredients, black pepper. Oh, heck yeah, you gotta have black pepper, come on. This is my favorite thing in there, is just some black pepper, really brightens it up like crazy. It's got a little bit of spice to it, but I think we're okay. And this is dill weed, dill weed. Yes, not an insult, Brandon. I'm not calling you. All right, there. Dill weed. Sorry. All right, just mix this up, and that's basically it. This should be fun. It should be good. The one thing I do love to put in this, which is a little odd. Hold on one second. Yes, it's a bottle of sriracha. Yeah, that's right. I'm rich. Luckily, I knew that the supply chain problems are coming and bought a case. So I have sriracha. Yes, I'm lucky. I would put a few drops of this, probably good in there. It is amazing if you've never done that in tuna. Oh my God, do that. Fortunately, Brandon can't have anything spicy, so. Wait a minute, he's not eating this one. I can put anything in here I want. Brandon, don't put the sriracha in. All right, just for you, buddy. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna have any fun. I'm not gonna do that. And there you go. That is really, really tuna salad-y. I think you can see that in that camera there. Yeah, okay, good. All right, now, the other thing, you can only have white bread. White bread sucks. This is sourdough bread. What's the difference between white bread and sourdough bread? The starter. Basically, that's about it. You can't have any, whole grain stuff and all that. This is the best alternative. And we're gonna put a little bit more mayonnaise on it because What the heck? You have to lubricate the bread. It's important. Lubricate the bread. And yes, toasting this is delicious, doing all kinds of things. However, we're going to keep this boring and simple. Now, I'm just doing this. And if you wanted to make a tuna melt, don't. That's gross. And that, folks, is a sandwich made specially for Brandon. Hopefully you eat that. You want me to bring it over? I'll just pop right over. Just let me know, buddy. Leave me a comment. Tell me. I'll bring it right to you. Hopefully you're feeling better. Hopefully that is something you can eat. And hopefully this helps. Hope you feel better. Because Brandon... Folks, you don't know Brandon. Brandon is one of the only people in the world I look up to. Literally. He's like this tall. I'm 6'3". He's like this tall. So, Brandon, that's a big sandwich for a big guy. You deserve to feel better. I hope you do. And let me know what else you want to see me make for you. I'll be happy to. But there's your sandwich there, buddy. All right. And I'll cut it in half for you and everything, because I know when you don't feel good, they say you got to cut it in the whole thing and you got to make it look really yummy, and then you got to do the for that. Oh, who am I kidding? Dude, I'm eating your sandwich. Sorry. Okay, I'll make you another one. All right, that's the end of the video. Oh, thanks for watching. Feel better soon, buddy. And until the next time, I'll see you in the next video.